The Access Camp has made its way to Spanish Town. We're here at Jonathan Grant High School. You know the drill. We're here to find out how they're planning to take home this year's trophy. Let's go.
I'm Gifton Wright, and I am Jonathan Grant High School's quiz coach, and I love quiz. I've been coaching here since last year, June. I'm from St. Diego High. At St. Diego, we were taught, a lot of quiz knowledge and techniques, and gaining these stuff at St. Diego, I transferred into my coaching career, Jonathan Grant. I believe as quiz progresses over the years, it's harder and harder to win. So apart from that, there's not much difference, no.
We support the quiz team. We are come all out, we are going to pro, and William Jonathan Grant, and we are going to win.
This year's team, their main strength, I think, is the fact that they're warriors. The guys, they war, even when they're losing, even when they're behind, that resilience is what they have.
This year we are roaring for excellence.
Hey Jamaica, my name is Savannah Price, the head boy of Jonathan Grant High School. I must say I've seen this Jonathan Grant quiz team work tremendously well. Nights, days, study, books, that's all they think of.
Hello, my name is Santoya McClarty, and my specialties are Bible knowledge, Spanish, IT, movie and theatre.
My name is Horisha Brown. I'm currently 18 years of age. The subjects I do in quiz are chemistry, art, sports, and current affairs, and also general knowledge.
Hi, my name is Kevin Forbes. I'm currently 18 years of age, and the subjects I do in quiz are physics, maths, Jamaican heritage, and history.
Hello, my name is JQ Bent. The areas I specialize in quiz are biology, English language, Le Français, which is French, English language, and geography. Thank you.
Well, just in norms, students, they want to have fun, so there is social media, their friends and so forth. So I have to keep on reminding them to be focused, it's just for a short time. So apart from that, there's not really much challenges.
The coach has given us excellent ideas in each match. He always tells us as a team we must communicate more, always pray, and just believe in ourselves and trust each other.
Well, I want my students, my team, to achieve moral aptitude. So yes, I want them to win quiz, but to be ethical human beings after a quiz. So that's my main aim right now. Expect the best from Jonathan Grant High. All those who we have next round and beyond.
Thanks for staying with us, guys. You're watching the Schools Challenge Quiz Access Preview Show, where we share behind-the-scenes SCQ happenings.
Like the past player profile on the former Norman Manley High quizzer.
Check this out.
My name is Rivaldo Dunkley. I am a past player from the Norman Manley High School, and I first started playing in 2015. The experience for me has been very good. It has taught me how to be tough. It has taught me how to, cooperate with my team players and to be a team leader as well. The knowledge that I've imparted on these guys, St. Andrew Technical, of course, is just to be calm, just to, study hard and to work hard, because of course there's no substitution for hard work. So therefore, I have just tell them to just play calm, to just study as hard as possible and just try to hold their composure when playing matches. The worst part for me was in 2015 when I just started. We were beaten badly, of course, by Excelsior, and the best part for me is in 2016. Even though we have, in spite of the fact that we have lost the match, we put up a good fight, and I believe that we should have won. Nonetheless, we didn't. So, life goes on, I am here with these young men now, and I'm just encouraging them to push as hard as possible in order to get as far as possible in the competition.
Past players, link us up on Instagram at TVJ_SCQ Access. We want to hear your story and feature you in our PP profile. We're heading into our last break, but before we go, here's our trivia question, and it's from the category music. True or false? Coffee is the youngest individual and first female to win a Grammy in the reggae category.
I feel like I know that one, you know. But anyway, see if you can get that one correct. We'll give you the answer after this break. Stay with us.
Soon come.